Hello. As we all should know, 2019 is the year of the periodic table. So, we are going to review some of the fundamentals about the periodic table. The columns are called groups, also known as families. You will see as we progress through columns from left to right, we will be increasing valence electrons. Now, the rows going across are called periods. You will see as we progress down the rows, we will be increasing the shell number. To refresh, the columns are called groups or families, and the rows are called periods. Now, the groups are distinguished by their similar properties and number of valence electrons. The first group is called alkali metals, and are the first group because they have one valence electron and therefore labeled 1A. The second column is alkaline earth metals. This next entire block is called transition metals. The 16th group here is the halogens, also known as the oxygen group. The second to last column is the halogens. And at the end, the 18th family is the noble gases. Hydrogen is an exception because at room temperature it is a gas, so it is not considered a metal but a nonmetal. Now, the last two periods are called lanthanides and actinides, but they are not used very often. Now, different groups have different properties. The main two properties are metals and nonmetals. The properties of metals include being malleable, ductile, good conductors, high densities, high melting and boiling points, and shiny. The properties of nonmetals include being brittle, poor conductors, low densities, low melting and boiling points, and dull. There are also metalloids, which is an element that has some characteristics of metals and nonmetals, but there are only 7 of them: boron, silicon, uranium, arsenic, antimony, Now, some of you are probably wondering how this relates to everyday life. Well, let me tell you. Your everyday table salt is consisted of sodium chloride, and lithium is in the batteries of your cell phones. Fun fact, only 2 people have had elements named after them while they are alive. The only one still alive today is Yuri Ognesian.